Welcome to the Overthinking quiz. In this quiz, you'll discover whether you have the mind of a good overthinker or a bad overthinker. Listen to the questions and select the most suitable answer. Let's get started. Question 1. What do you do when faced with a difficult decision? A. Trust my instincts and make a quick choice. B. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding. C. Get overwhelmed and find it hard to make any decision at all. Question 2. How often do you find yourself replaying past conversations in your mind? A. Rarely. I try to move on from past conversations. B. Sometimes, especially if the conversation was important. C. Frequently. I tend to overanalyze every word spoken. Question 3. When you receive a text message from someone and they don't respond immediately, what do you assume? A. They are busy or preoccupied with something else. B. They might be taking some time to respond thoughtfully. C. They are ignoring me or don't want to talk to me. Question 4. You make a mistake at work. What's your reaction? A. Acknowledge the mistake and try to learn from it. B. Feel a bit stressed but work on finding a solution. C. Obsess over the mistake, feeling like a failure. Question 5. How do you handle compliments from others? A. I graciously accept them, feeling good about myself. B. I appreciate them but might wonder if they're genuine. C. I tend to downplay or dismiss compliments, doubting their sincerity. Question 6. When facing a new challenge, how do you approach it? A. With enthusiasm and a positive attitude. B. By researching and planning a strategy. C. With worry and fear of potential failure. Question 7. How often do you find yourself unable to sleep because your mind is racing with thoughts? A. Rarely. I usually sleep peacefully. B. Sometimes, especially during stressful times. C. Frequently, my mind rarely shuts down. Question 8. Do you often ask others for their opinions, even for minor decisions? A. No, I trust my judgment for most decisions. B. Sometimes to gain different perspectives. C. Yes, I often doubt my decisions and seek validation. Certainly, let's include the final assessment for each result. If you answered mostly A, congratulations, you are a good thinker. You have a healthy balance between trusting your instincts and thoughtfully considering decisions. You don't let overthinking hinder your progress, and you maintain a positive outlook in most situations.